You sweepers? Oh, you're doing such a good job, baby. Sweeping? You cleaning, Baba Zodi? Oh, such good girls. Yeah, you're sweeper. Oh, obrigado. Obrigado.
Oh, we're sweeping.
Yeah, you're sweeping.
You cleaning?
Mm-hmm.
That's wonderful.
Wait, don't talk to her, you're gonna distract her.
Okay, sorry.
Yeah. Look. Yeah, good girl. Yeah. Yeah, good girl. Sweeper, sweeper. Sweeper. Uh-oh.
What did you eat, love?
Come on, baby. Burger.
Yeah, I made an Anthony burger because I made him walk in the night.
Oh.
This thing's gross. Oh, see.
Yeah. Ciao, baby. Good job. You guys are about to cook?
Yeah,
Not really.
well, just like
It takes an hour for the potatoes, so for half hour.
chicken. Just for
You know it's only 6 minutes in the microwave for potato?
yeah, but she don't like the microwave.
It does taste better.
Yeah.
I know that. It's just,
I would do it if I liked the potatoes.
I just drown it in shit.
Yeah.
That cream.
Yeah, she's a super taster, so.
Oh, I'm just kidding. I just really wanted to distract this weekend.
Sweepers! Sweepers! Oh, you're doing such a good job, baby Zone. Such a good job, baby Zone. Okay, time to stop.
Thanks for the help.
She says, no problem. No problem. No problem. Baby. Oh. Giovanna. 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 Such good girls. You're sweeping. Obrigado. Obrigado. Obrigado.